The way everyone is looking for me when there's a scandal, guys, just know when there is a breaking news, just know that I know. Don't stress, just know that I know. Just know that I know. I was busy shooting my YouTube video and my episode is up. Run to my YouTube channel, you're gonna find my reaction. Guys, I did not see this coming. I did not see this coming. Not Jacob Zuma furious at Shivamp. I mean, us. We knew that Floyd was fired. Go check my videos. We've been saying these things. We knew. But ingabantu bomkhonto benga who didn't want to accept, who thought, hi, Floyd is one of us. Hey. Tina, we knew. We knew you get removed from the position of an SG. You are demoted, Mdasekai. There is absolutely no way. But ingabantu bebe in denial, redeployed the parliament. And I told you, akekho list. Hi, you are lying. Unamanga sisipho. Hey. Okay, fine. So Umsholozi today uzixelela ukuthi he's gonna set the record straight, and he has Mdasekaya drawn the lines very clear in the sand. Akadlali. The battle lines are drawn. And I have never in my life heard Jacob Zuma speak about Indo's organization in public. This means that he is here. Uyeva? UFloyd ubadikile ungathi lenqatha lehagu. Uyeva? Dithi kaloku guys, uJacob Zuma, we know him because he always says ukuthi babizeni bonke abantu, we are uniting. Today he said we don't care. Hayibo. Ngaze ngashuku ngathi ha. Hey, if you would have seen me the way I was screaming, I was like, hayibo. You sisigaxa. Hayibo. Hey. Hayibo. What ubaba, we don't care. Uzuma is the one person who always says, let the people come. We want 2/3 majority. You can't chase people away. Yekelani bonke abantu abeze. Asingabagxotha abantu sebekhona. Today, I'm Mdasekaya. He went from page 1 to page 100. Uti, we don't care. I mean, using the words I don't care, those are very strong words. Like, he is furious, he is gutted, he is livid. Oh. Guys, I got shocked. Run to my YouTube channel to get my full reaction because I am shocked. He continues and says, Uzuma, we are not going to beg anyone. Don't think that your education, that no one has education, no one cares. You can have education. Don't think that you are special. Don't think that you are special. Zuma, we have had 7 secretary generals here. 7. So now you think you are the special one. Special. The same Zuma who said Floyd is a political scientist. Political scientist. I am shocked. Mdasekaya. Hey! Hayibo. All I can tell you is that Floyd was already on the ground and the Uzuma has just kicked him right below the sole right now. Let me just tell you that. And it's over for Floyd. I think also Zuma might have finished him to a point where even the people that were going to march for him, maybe some of them will back off now. They will have to choose Zuma mhlawumbi. I don't know, but I think Zuma being this clear, maybe some people, it will push people away, some people away. It will maybe let others let go of the march. Let me attach a small clip, Nyana, guys, but I have posted on my YouTube. Go get the full reaction. That's why I wanted to go shoot my YouTube video first. I didn't want to start on TikTok because I wanted my raw reaction on YouTube. I am shocked. Sure. Hey, I am cold.
That if we have one of us, ophuma eceleni asimncengi. Let me just tell you, abantu asebeke baba o secretary general kule sebe u7 manje ngoba sidlali noma ngabe uzazi ukuthi umkhulu uyathandwa uyikho konke, we don't care. We talk about our party. Laba bala kule party abathi mabebona umuntu engasebenzi sikhuluma lesazi ukuthi kwenze njani noma eneyinkinga noma onile ebese sithi awusuke akekho umuntu odala ukuthi uyohlala esikhundleni kuyozangena ezulwini ayikho lo akuyona indaba yakho. If you don't know ozubuza ukuthi kwenze njani kunabantu abaze bathi bafuna ukulokhuza ukuprotesta ngoba sithatha idecision ethile kusho ukuthi ayikakheki le party le ayikakheki ngale ndlela esifuna ngayo.